Hello, do you know the answer to this question? So, what is the square root of 49? Okay, if you don't know that answer, that's great because that's one here to help. Okay, square roots, they sound really complex, but they're actually very easy. Okay, you've just got to learn the mechanics of it, so how it works. So, the square root means what number do you times by itself to make said number, so 49. So let's try and find that number. Let's go small, okay? Let's go 3 times 3. What does that equal? That equals 9. Thank you, yes, well done, okay? What about, let's go much bigger because clearly that's too small of a number. So let's go something much bigger. Let's go 8 times 8, all right? That's a big one. Do you know it? Yes, well done. It's 64. Very good, well done. Okay, so now that's too big. So I have to go in the middle. So let's try, I don't know, one smaller. All right. What about 7 times 7? That, yes, it equals 49. Great. So therefore, the square root of 49, yes, it must be 7. Because 7 is the number that you times by itself to make 49. All right, use this information, have a great rest of the day, and we'll see you in the next one.